guys, yeah, the mama in the kitchen, yeah. And you see what I do? I fry some nice fish while the pot over here so I bubble up dumpling plantains and Irish potato. Yeah, Irish potato. Yeah, man, over here. In that pot, yeah. Yeah, man, it's a bubble. Bubble, 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 pot, a bubble, a bubble, a bubble. Yeah, fish over there, so I fry. Yeah, it say look nice though. Nice. Yeah, man. So I do some cooking. Yeah. Yeah, me love cooking. Yeah. Jamaican man. Yeah, the mama Jamaican love cook me food for eat, man. Yeah, guys, so stay tuned and watch as we are going. And like, share, comment, and subscribe to Yadi Mama channel. Wow, go to Yadi Baba, you're good for cooking, man.
Desire on the beat. Desire on the beat.
Many are the blessings that you give unto me. Your blessings overflowing like a mighty sea. Lord, I want to thank you for all your love to me. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all your blessing to me. share, comment, and subscribe to Yadi Mama channel. I went to a party the other night. They say it's gonna be right. But when we were at the party, I was disappointed. And the music they play wasn't good for a Rastaman, was no good for an Ijaman. I'm going back to my roots, yeah. Reggae music is all that I need. Reggae is mine, reggae is mine. Reggae is mine, yeah, 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 yeah. Pom, 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 pom. Reggae is mine, reggae is mine.
Desire on the beat.